Hi everyone, today I will be leading you through a very cool technology website for educators called Nearpod. Taking a look at my screen, this is my account, and we are going to go through a presentation that I have created on Nearpod. We're going to use live participation. And as you can see, there's a code. So if students were using Nearpod virtually, they would have the code, or if they were using Nearpod in the classroom, they could have the code. So we're going to go ahead and view the teacher screens, and then I'll also show you the student screens as well. Before we go into what Nearpod is, we have just a reflection question. So this is a question that I could have posed on the screen. What is something you already know about Nearpod? And then the students would have this screen, and I as the teacher would be able to see their answers and who all has participated in the question so far. A little bit of an overview, since this is an instructional tutorial. Nearpod is a presentation tool that aids in creating slides for lessons and also provides pre-made lessons. It's free, and I've found it easy to use, and can be implemented with face-to-face, virtual, or blended learning. An example of a cool feature of Nearpod is the multiple choice question live assessment feature. So I've asked, who is the intended audience of Nearpod? You're looking at the teacher screen, but if I was a student, I could see my choices are students, parents, coworkers, or peers. So let's select students, and the teacher already knows that who is answered if I click submit, and how many are correct, incorrect, or haven't answered yet. The standards for education leaders that are covered through Nearpod is 3.1.A, ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. So I really like this because it engages all learning styles. And then 3.3.E, developing learning assessments that provide a personalized, actionable view of student progress in real time. And as you saw, I can ask questions, multiple choice, open-ended, fill in the blank questions in real time and have the results of how my students are doing. I can use this for testing pre-skills or as a review game. And lastly, I just wanted to show you something really cool. There are endless possibilities on Nearpod. This is one of them. There's virtual reality field trips already uploaded onto Nearpod. There's simulations. You can have even click up here and use the whiteboard to draw, write out math problems or what have you with your students. So I hope you take a look at Nearpod. Thanks for watching.